What's up guys, today we are looking at this Crucial X8 4TB portable SSD. So it has, I believe, read speeds of 1050 megabytes, so just say 1 gigabyte, and it's the X8 version, so this is the smaller version. It's usable for Windows, Mac OS, PS4, Xbox One, and yeah, it just says up to 1050 megabytes per second. This is made by Crucial. Windows, Mac, PS4, Xbox One, iPad Pro, Chromebook, limited 3-year warranty. Store with confidence, save and load files faster, and speeds up to 1050 megabytes per second. You can use this backup, expand for games, transfer files, download, and go. Crucial.com, crucial.cn. Wonder where CN is. So these are just the details. Product of Thailand. There's a German office, UK office, Singapore office. Where's Meridian? Wherever that is. Alright, let's open this up. So it also comes in 1 terabyte, 2 terabytes, and this one is the 4 terabytes. Nothing else in the box. That's the SSD itself. A little bit of weight in it. Instructions here. I doubt there's much information here. Oh, it just has step-by-step install guide. I guess they have some software on there that you can use. Oh, this is nice. They have a USB to USB cable. Then they have an adapter. So USB-C to USB-A. So I presume this is USB-C. Yeah, USB-C. All right, get started. That's a good sign. The sticker, I need to cut this sticker off. Some of these products don't come with plastic, so it's hard to tell if it's brand new or not. Yeah, this is definitely brand new. Okay. Here it is. Very small in size. I'm just going to measure it quickly. It is 11 centimeters length this way. It is 5 centimeters length this way from here to here. And the thickness, less than a centimeter, say 0.7 of a centimeter. So I bought this for 194 euros, so about 180 pounds. What was I going to say? Just going to go over the specs here. So I'll put the Amazon links in the description. Oh yeah, the dimension. So yeah, so it says 11 centimeters by 5.3 centimeters by 1.14 centimeters. My measurement, it's less than 1 centimeters in depth. The weight is 95.25 grams. It's an SSD. So the material on the sides is this kind of rubbery type feel. Here is the metal. I think it's aluminium finish. It's got a black on it. Nothing else moves. Just there's the logo there. It's glossy there, and has 4 terabytes here. Okay, I'm just going to plug this in quickly just to power it on. So just this is in comparison to a pen. So it's much smaller than a pen. I noticed that on the metal, my greasy fingerprints have started to go on it already. Just once again, I'm just going to plug this in to power it on. Plugged in, I feel some static. Nothing lights up. Let me quickly check that this works. I'll be off the camera just 1 second. Okay, so I have it plugged in. There's 3 URLs to where you can download Acronis backup, Mylio photo organizer, X8 support website. Those are the 3. Nothing lights up. It yeah, I guess that's good. It uses less power. Okay, so the available space is 4 terabytes, 122 megabytes used in the disk. That's kind of weird because there's only 3 links. There's no software at all. But it says 4 terabytes. We'll see when I do a test later with that. I'm just going to look at the reviews on Amazon. I'm just going to unplug this so you can actually see. All right, so okay, reviews. It's great, neat, small, doesn't run hot, sleek, very fast. It's good, but make sure you know the limitations. What do you mean by limitations? Oh, the read and write speeds. So what they're saying is that if you use USB to USB-C, it's faster. If you use the USB-A adapter, it's a lot slower. Let's have a look at some of the medium tier reviews. No adapter included. Mine came with an adapter. Warning, cheap QLC NAND, so performs tasks to 58 megabytes. Not the fastest, small and big. Good value, but can overheat on sustained write operations. Disappointingly slow. Doesn't connect to your TV. I think that's normal. Oh, so people complaining it's heavy and hot. Okay. All right. So in the future video, I'm going to run a read-write test. Just do some basic functionality and see how it goes. All right, guys. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. You can join us on Discord. Links are in the description. Amazon links are in the description as well. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.